little update. So I took the wheels and the tires back to my work, or the place where I work, and then we fitted the tires to the wheels and we wanted to balance them, but we realized that 2 out of the 4 tires were actually a bit bent and wobbly. So I took them to a specialist and they straightened the wheels a little and then put the wheels on, balanced them. And then also this bad boy. This is the rear axle of a Peugeot 106 Rally. There's one disc missing, but it needed replacing anyway. So the thing about this is the 106 is a 1.1 chassis, so it doesn't have rear brake discs. So this one, it needs a bit of refurbishing, and those rubbers I'm probably going to change as well, because look, they're just a mess. Brake calipers are there as well. Still, yeah, need new brakes, discs and pads. But those wheels are now okay. Unfortunately today I won't have any time to actually do anything on the car itself, so that will be for the next or the following up of this video. What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video, and the 106 is still here. It's been a couple of weeks. A few weeks ago I changed one side to the new wheels, and today I'm going to do the other side, and then hopefully finally get these seats fixed and mounted. Also, I found out that this thing of a Peugeot what was it? The new Peugeot 208, so actually the successor of this car, it doesn't fit. So I took it out of a Mercedes Sprinter and then they do fit. Perfect. And done. Now all 4 wheels are mounted. So we managed to mount one seat, so that's now, yeah, as fixed as it can be. When we had to figure out something to attach these seat belts to, but I'll explain next time when I also install the other seat, because that's it for today. Before I go, I also noticed that the rear tires touched the frame, so I have to order some spacers if I want to drive with the original rear axle. So that's also something for next time probably. See ya! Today's mission, we are going and try to install this bolt-in roll cage I bought. Hopefully it starts. Kadang!